Hi, I'm Ray. I'm one of Bosch's product experts, and this is the Bosch Series 4 fridge freezer. This model offers complete flexibility with its perfect fit design. With standard fridge freezers, you must leave at least a 10cm gap between a side wall and other furniture. However, this model can sit flush next to both, giving your kitchen a sleek and streamlined look. Inside the fridge, there's a generous 260 litres of space and some very clever storage ideas. The VitaFresh XXL Pro 0 degree drawers are climate controlled zones where the temperature is fixed at 0 degrees. This helps to keep your fruit and vegetables fresh for longer. The Super Cool function creates the perfect conditions for food you've just brought back from the supermarket. Press the button before you leave for the shops and the cabinet will lower the temperature by a maximum of 2 degrees to quickly chill incoming food. Inside the freezer, there's 103 litres of capacity spread across 3 sturdy drawers. And you'll be pleased to know you'll never have to manually defrost either cabinet because they benefit from no frost technology, which constantly circulates cool air to prevent icy buildup. And if that wasn't enough, this model's 5-year warranty gives you complete peace of mind. In summary, the Bosch Series 4 fridge freezer's generous capacity, innovative storage solutions and intelligent technology always ensures your food is kept in the best conditions possible.